ডেকা মধুপুৰ ব্লকৰ দিলীপ পাঠক আৰু বসন্ত ডেকা আছে বাহিৰত আছে চাগে এয়া আমাৰ এপিচিচিৰ ইনচাৰ্জ ডিগ্ৰী বৰ্মন আমি আজি এই কাৰ্যসূচীটো লৈছিলোঁ আপোনালোকৰ চাগে জ্ঞাত আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত বিভিন্ন সময়ত বিভিন্ন কমপ্লেইন আহি হৈছে এইভাগে লোড শ্বেডিং কাৰেণ্ট নাপায় গৰমত আনফালে বিলৰ যিটো বোজা সেইটো কঢ়িয়াব বৰ টান পাইছে সেইকাৰণে আমি সন্মানীয় শক্তিমন্ত্ৰীলৈ আমি এটা মেমৰেণ্ডাম আপোনাৰ জৰিয়তে দিব খুজিছোঁ আৰু আশা ৰাখিম আপুনি এই মেমৰেণ্ডামটো আপোনাৰ জৰিয়তে তেখেতলৈ পঠাই দিব Memorandum to the Power Minister of Assam, to the Assistant Engineer APDCL Samota from Paschim Nalbari BCC Modhupur BCC. Subject: removal and withdrawal of smart meter. The APDCL Assam has been connecting the smart meter in and every household, replacing the previous manual meter by which the customers were paying electricity bill regularly. But surprisingly, the arrival of so-called smart meter is in every household, the electricity bill going higher than before. A strange and horrible situation arises before the customers. We, on behalf of the customers of the Paschim Nalbari Block Congress Committee and Modhupur Block Congress Committee, have put the demand for early solution of the situation. Below the steps to be followed. Number 1. The APDCL Assam have to withdraw all the so-called smart meters from each and every household. Number 2, the previous manual meters should be connected as early as possible. The APDCL, number 3, the APDCL Assam should immediately remove the harassment of the customers that created by the so-called smart meter. Number 4, the electricity service should be regularized by stopping unnecessary load shedding. The majority of the customers are in middle class category. Their income are not increasing, for which they are regularly suffering trouble and harassments in respect of maintaining their household expenditure, including the expenditure of their children. The price hike of essential commodities has already broken their backbone by the strange hike of electricity bill. We strongly demand your efforts for this purpose to demand your fruitful steps in respect of fulfilling the demand and make the customers easy and smooth in their daily life. That's all. President Dilip Pathak, Modhupur Block Congress Committee, President Dilip Deka, Paschim Nalbari.